When you think about digital assets, you may immediately think about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. But digital assets encompass much more than just cryptocurrency. Examples: social media profiles, email accounts, online subscriptions like your audiobook library, cloud storage, content on devices like phones and laptops, and of course financial accounts including cryptocurrencies, NFTs, etc. Why is digital estate planning important? Without planning, digital assets can be lost forever. You could lose memories or access to valuable financial accounts, and it could cost you time and money for your family to retrieve, or worse, it could be lost forever. In conclusion, digital estate planning is essential for safeguarding your digital legacy and protecting your loved ones from potential distress. Do you have your estate plan in place? Does it safeguard your digital assets? Call Legacy Plan today at 844-445-3422. Doesn't it feel good knowing your family's future is protected?